Today we're using our Elements Titanium Super Strong Styling Gel. Titanium is best used on hair that's already damp so that you can evenly distribute the product through the hair. So you just need to use the amount desired, bearing in mind the more you use, the more wet look and shine that you will achieve. We want to distribute it evenly on our palms so that we can apply it all throughout the hair. Now the way in which you style the hair is completely up to you. You can bring it across to the side and create directional styles, or you can create mohawks or spiky type looks. But essentially the more of this product you use, the more wet look you will achieve. It has a hold factor of 8 and a shine factor of 4.